This is the book of Second Edges, chapter 9, verse 2. It says, Then thou shalt understand, it is at very same time where the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. Second Edges 9, verse 3. Therefore, when there should be seen earthquakes in upwards people world, Shalom, first and foremost, like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh. And his only begotten Son, Bahashem, and name Hamashiach Yahushua. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lash Wakadash of the tongue. And Barakatham to the elders and apostles, or Akim Aqua, from the say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of May the 12th, 2025, on this Monday afternoon. And this is from the latest earthquakes from earthquake.usgs.gov. And you had a total of 38 earthquakes were reported from yesterday all went today. And you had a 3.3 earthquake recorded 71 kilometers north of San Juan, Puerto Rico. 3.3 earthquake 44 kilometers west of northwest of Alaska. 4.1 earthquake recorded southwest of San Antonio, Chile. 4.5 earthquake recorded 40 kilometers east of northeast of Petrovik of Kamishkoski of Russia, if I pronounced that right. For a 5.1 earthquake recorded 145 kilometers west of northwest of Tabalio, Indonesia. 4.1 earthquake recorded 248 kilometers east of northeast of La Pasilio, Timor-Leste. 4.5 earthquake recorded 51 kilometers southwest of Senjat Penya, Indonesia. 2.7 earthquake recorded 3 kilometers southeast of Gayers, California. 5.0 earthquake 94 kilometers southeast of Paluca, Peru. 5.3 earthquake recorded 78 kilometers east of northeast of Masu, Japan. 4.7 earthquake on the south of the Fuji Islands recorded. 4.5 earthquake recorded 16 kilometers southwest of Puerto San Jose, Guatemala. 3.1 earthquake recorded 12 kilometers southeast of Wasilla, Alaska. 3.2 earthquake recorded 106 kilometers north of Bernias, Puerto Rico. 4.3 earthquake recorded 7 kilometers north of northwest of Gambus, Turkey. 3.6 earthquake recorded 73 kilometers northeast of Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. 2.7 earthquake recorded 2 kilometers east of Big Pine, California. 4.1 earthquake recorded 116 kilometers south and southwest of Puerto San Jose, Guatemala. 3.4 earthquake recorded 108 kilometers north of Charlotte, Amelie, West Virgin Islands. 3.1 earthquake 5 kilometers south of Indios, Puerto Rico. 4.5 earthquake recorded 51 kilometers north of Guardia of Venezuela. 5.0 earthquake recorded 43 kilometers north of Balitivo, Kazakhstan. 4.9 earthquake recorded South Georgia Island region. 4.4 earthquake 43 kilometers southwest of Bryansk, Russia. 2.8 earthquake. Oh, that was from yesterday. So those was the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of May the 12th, 2025 on this Monday afternoon. And once again, this is the book of Second Edges, chapter 9, verse 3. Therefore, when there should be seeing earthquakes, of course, speaking the world, possibly definitely seeing more increasing earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this quick set down lesson was edifying of the earthquakes in diverse places as of May the 12th, 2025, on this Monday afternoon. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and his only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, and name Hamashiach Yahushua. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Kodash tongue. I say Barak to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Aquaf. Until next time, I will say, Shalom.